Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add button for your site in Duda. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on widgets and write here button. You're gonna see it here. You want to take it and grab it where you want it to have. And when you're gonna have it, like first you got like text on the button that you want to edit. You can just right click here and then you get like select where button links to. You can choose existing page or website URL or pop-up or anchor, or like it's really up to you what you choose. So we can go like existing page, and then the most fun part is design. First you got layout. You can change to whatever layout you want. Then you got the button style and button text that you can change the font. You can change the font format, really play around it as much as you want. And let's scroll down. You can change the width and height. You can really play around it. I mean, like, Duda is amazing in this, how much stuff you can edit and how simple it is to edit things here. But in my opinion, it's much better than Webflow, or in Squarespace, I would say that they are both on the same line. Like if you want to build your own site. Then you get also like the floating here, if you would like to edit around the site. And then you get like spacing. You can go like 20 here and just change the everything. So this is how you do it. And what I would also do is when you want to add like text here, so let's just add text. I would edit here and look at this. Okay, so I would go to the middle, download ebook here. So let's say that I have download ebook here and I have a button here, so I can just increase the text size. Ebook here, and look at this. When I would click on this again, go to design, go to spacing, let's change the spacing to like 0 or minus 30, 50. Yeah, you can see like we got perfect button with a text here, and this is pretty cool, I think. So this is how you can add button for your site in Duda. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.